Hi, in front of me is Black Shark 5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on passwords and security. Then click on screen lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern. Now wait 5 seconds, just got it in this pop-up and enter your login method. Now we need to repeat it and just confirm at the bottom right corner. After that, you can click on add in this pop-up and add your fingerprint right away. I will go with cancel though. So now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!